Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to find outstanding shares of a company with Yahoo Finance. So the process is very easy and simple. So let's get started. So first of all, what we're gonna do is open our browser. I'm using Opera here, but you can use any browser of your liking. So first of all, what we're gonna do is open our browser. So let's do that. So once we are in the browser, what we're gonna do is type Yahoo Finance in the search bar. Now what we're gonna do is click on the first link that pops up. So once we're under Yahoo Finance, what we're gonna do is type a company's name that you want to know outstanding shares of. So let's suppose I will type Apple here. So let's click on that first link. So once you are in this page, what we're gonna do is find stats. So here is stats near to conversation. So what we're gonna do is click on that. And we will be redirected to this page. What we're gonna do is scroll down. And as you can see in the share stats, there's share outstanding, and now you know Apple's outstanding shares and can be used for various calculation and other things. So there you go guys, now you know how to find outstanding shares of a company with Yahoo Finance. If you like this tutorial, please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. And thanks for watching.